So this video is all about how I was able to get over 1,000 subscribers in the shortest period of time you could ever imagine. All right, so just sit right back as I walk you through how I was able to achieve all of these things. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. Yes, I said WhatsApp because I don't want to make use of ChatGPT and the rest of it. I love making use of Meta AI. Why? Because it is very easy for me to, like, navigate and all of that. It is very easy for me to open up. I don't need to start logging in and things like that. Okay, so you can make use of Meta AI, you can make use of ChatGPT. If you don't know what Meta AI is, just head over to your WhatsApp, click on business, and you are there. All right, that is what I love making use of. So the first thing we need to do is go to our WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp, maybe normal WhatsApp, business WhatsApp, whichever one you are making use of. Okay, me, I'm making use of normal WhatsApp, so I'm just going to click on this particular place. So once I click on it, it will open up like this. All right, now the first thing I will need to do is tell Meta AI that I am into the this particular niche. I mean, you can use any niche. You can use African folktale, depending on the niche you are into here on YouTube. All right, me, I'm into YouTube growth, so I'm going to make use of YouTube growth. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and tell Meta AI that I am into the YouTube growth niche. I need different video ideas for my channel. Right now, I'll just go ahead and type it so that we'll see what Meta AI will give us. So I'll be like, I am into YouTube growth niche. I'm not the fast typer. Okay, growth niche on YouTube. How did they even spell it again? Okay. I need 10 video ideas. I need 10 video ideas for my YouTube channel. All right, now use this particular prompt and Meta AI will give you about 10 YouTube growth video ideas you can actually recreate. Now, as you can see, this is what Meta AI has given to us. Number one is 10 proven ways to increase your YouTube views in 30 days. Number two is the ultimate guide to your YouTube SEO. Okay, that is optimization and all of that. Number three is how to create a viral YouTube thumbnail that gets click. Things like this. This is exactly what Meta AI will give you. If you also use ChatGPT, I think ChatGPT will give you something like this also. All right, now because Meta AI has given us about 10, now we don't know the particular one we feel like will go viral. Okay, we feel like when we create or make our videos around it, it will actually pop and go viral. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll tell Meta AI to give us the most viral topic we can recreate our videos on. So I'll just go ahead and be like, give me the one that have the highest potential to go viral among these 10 topic, or among these 10 video ideas. Okay, so go ahead and send it, and boom, Meta AI will do the same thing. Now I said number 5. Okay, number 5 have the more potential to go viral. So number 5, you said secret YouTube growth hack that you won't find anywhere. So this is the one that has the highest potential to go viral. So once all of this thing is done, you can also use something like give me the best of them all. Let me just type give me the best of them all. Give me the best of them all. Okay, so once I send this, let's see. But I also gave us the same number 5. You see, secret YouTube growth hack that you won't find anywhere. So what do? Once Meta AI has given you this video idea, what do? You go ahead, I know most times it can be a bit difficult for you to, like, just come up with video and all of that, though you can go ahead and tell Meta AI to, like, expand this particular topic, give you every single thing you need that will guide you on how to, like, create your videos. Yes, but to be on the safer side, just go ahead and search for this particular topic. Look for, probably there must be somebody that has actually made a video relating to this. Okay, so just go ahead, watch the person's video, and you'll be able to, like, put things together. But if there is nobody that has created a particular video on that, what you just do is, just tell me, I explain more on this in details. Okay, explain more about this in details. Okay, in details, yeah, and give me every point I need to create my video. Okay, let's just send this first. So once we do this, now as you can see, Meta AI just delivered. It gave us introduction, it gave us, every single thing you need to, like, create this video. You want to create a video around this particular topic. Now you start with introduction, you come here, say YouTube, explain how YouTube algorithm work, just follow all the steps and all that. Creates here you say explain the importance of creating linkable content, that things like that. So just go ahead and follow. Now, one thing you need to understand about all of these things is that the more detailed you are with your with your prompts, the more detailed explanation Meta AI or ChatGPT will give to you understand. Now, once all of these things is done, now you've actually gotten hints or key points on how to create your videos. Now the next thing you just need to go ahead and do is tell Meta AI, that is after you must have created your videos and all of that. Now go ahead and tell Meta AI, oh, what I even want to talk about is already here. He has given Meta AI has given us every single thing. The title, this is the title: 5 secrets YouTube growth hack that you won't find anywhere. Tags, YouTube growth, YouTube hack, things like that. Thumbnail. Now Meta AI also went ahead and explained the kind of thumbnail you should create for this particular video. He said a graphic with a lock icon and the title: 5 secret YouTube growth hack you, on a bold front with a background image of a person working on a laptop, on your laptop, on a laptop, or a laptop logo. You can see. But if you're not okay with this, now you just go ahead and tell Meta AI to give you a more detailed description, tag, keywords, and thumbnail idea for this. So let's say, okay, let's say give me a more detailed description, right? Description, where is it now? Description, title, keywords, tags, and thumbnail idea for this topic. Right? Now send it, and boom, Meta AI will always deliver. You understand? Now this is a detailed description. Now you say, are you tired of struggling to grow your YouTube channel? I mean, all of these things, all of these things, as you can see. Now I'm actually going to give you an idea, a secret I've been using that has always helped me a whole lot. Now if you are using an Android or an iPhone, I don't know about iPhone, though I use an iPhone, but I've not tried it before, but this is my Android. So you see that you cannot actually copy this particular place that says tag alone. Okay, now what you go ahead and do is tell Meta AI to give you copyable tags. You can, Meta AI can give you up to 20-30 copyable tags. All you just do is copy it, go to your YouTube studio while you want to, like, upload your video. You don't need to start typing it, YouTube growth, YouTube algorithm, YouTube this, YouTube that. You don't need it. Okay, just tell Meta AI or ChatGPT to give you copyable tags for a particular video. No matter the video you create, they will always give. Just explain your video and make sure you include copyable tags without heading, without hashtag. Okay, just that, and they will give you copyable tags. Let's just give it a try and see how it is. Now we'll say, give me let's say, give me 20 copyable tags, okay, for this video. So Meta AI is likely going to give us tag with heading, hashtags and all of that. Yes, I have that feeling. But if something like that does happen, okay, I don't know, my network is bad. If something like that does happen, go ahead and tell Meta AI to like give you the tags without heading, without hashtags, and Meta AI will do just that. And once that is done, copy it and upload your video. Copy it and put it in the tag space while uploading your video. You can also copy it and also include it in your description. All right, yes, it works perfectly that way also. Okay, so once you do that, you are good to go. Now this particular idea helps me a whole lot when it feels like I don't even know what to create. I don't even know videos to come up with and all of that. No, I went to Meta AI and I was like, this is my YouTube niche. I don't know video ideas to come up with. Help me with 20 viral video ideas, and boom, all of these things happen. And ever since then, I've never had issues thinking of videos to create and all of that. And you too can do the same. If you're somebody that runs out of content, I mean, in this time around, in this time and era, you shouldn't. All right, as long as you are here on YouTube, a YouTube content creator, okay, there's no how you can run out of content. Never. Okay, so just follow this step, do everything I just said, and do it every single day. If you're somebody that wants to like create videos, post 2 videos every day on YouTube, this is the right thing you need. If you're somebody that wants to like post videos once in a day, 2-3 times in a day, this is it. As long as you have strength to create videos, this is exactly what you need. All right, so hop into this, do it, and thank me later. And also, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button. Like I always say, it is totally free. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop amazing video like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. Ciao.